We had another strong quarter, so strong revenue growth, strong free cash flow. And the way we see driving conversion is about bringing people along a journey from using Dropbox as individuals. Maybe they start using the free version, and then they bring it into work and start using the business product. And so we've been able to do that at bigger and bigger scale over the last few years.
And what's the potential there for the traders, investors, business people who are listening to you? What's the potential? I mean, how many of those people, those Dropbox users, do you think become paying users? I mean, is it 10% of the total, 20% of the total? How do you think about it?
Well, opportunity is massive. And when we think about it, every company, every team in the world has content and needs to collaborate around it. And so we're not going to run out of people who need Dropbox anytime soon, and we have hundreds of millions of people who have used Dropbox. So we're operating at massive scale. So really, we think about how do we drive people along that journey as effectively as possible.
And I know another metric the street's going to concentrate on is ARPU, average revenue per paying user. That was $118.60, Drew. So that was stronger than the street was looking for in the quarter. What levers did you pull in the quarter, and are they sustainable in the quarters ahead?
Well, we see that as a measure of how much value we're driving per subscriber. And the way we drive value per subscriber is make the product better. And so there's a number of improvements we've made in this quarter, in the last few quarters. And you think about new features in Dropbox like Smart Sync and a feature called Showcase, which is about richer sharing. Those are driving higher and higher adoption of our premium individual plans and the business version of Dropbox.
Got it.
Joining us here on the closing bell, I want to dive into that a little bit more, the ARPU point that Josh just raised. Is the improvement there being delivered more on the business product or the consumer side product? And how much more room is there to surprise on the upside in the sort of 12-month period ahead?
Well, it's happening on both fronts. So as more of our users subscribe to the business version of Dropbox, that drives ARPU expansion. And as people buy higher, or if they subscribe to higher tiers of the individual plan or higher tiers of the business plan, that also drives ARPU growth. And so both continue to be levers for us, and we see a lot of opportunity to continue to deepen our relationship with customers.
Relationships with customers, of course, one key area, as well as with various corporate partners. Some more of those announced recently. Again, is that a sort of tip of the iceberg type moment? And do you see there being opportunity for you to partner with some of these large corporates more easily than the likes of Google or Amazon might be able to because of the size of market share they already have?
Absolutely. That's a really important part of our strategy is our open ecosystem. And our customers love having the freedom to use any different tool or any different ecosystem. And so that's a big strength of ours. So we've announced integrations earlier this year with companies like Google and Salesforce. And this quarter we announced some integrations with companies like Zoom, who's a leader in video communication and collaboration. Because we saw that Dropbox customers were using all these products. And then you look at a company like Zoom, they found their customers are using Dropbox. And so building a seamless integration is a really powerful way to both increase engagement and then improve the stickiness of our platform.